Good day everyone, this is Krystal. Welcome back to Wotech Hip Pump. This time I will show you our one swimming pool hip pump series, the BR-A3 series. This model is special designed in vertical discharge and with anti-UV plastic corrosion. There are total 6 capacity for options. This one is for 4.5 kilowatts. And this one is for 4.6 to 7.8 kilowatts. This model is for 9.5 to 14 kilowatts. If you are interested for more product range, please visit our website www.ecowotech.com. Thank you. See you next time. Bye bye.